Welcome to the Financial Literacy Channel, your one-stop destination to enlighten your mind about the world of finance and beyond. This channel is a treasure trove of insights, knowledge, and wisdom, primarily focusing on financial education. We believe that understanding finance is a cornerstone of not just financial independence, but also of personal growth and smart decision-making. Today, we're going to expand our horizons a bit and explore a topic that goes beyond the realm of finance. We're going to talk about an experience that can make you smarter. Yes, you heard it right. There are experiences in life that can enhance your intelligence, improve your cognitive abilities, and make you a more enlightened individual. We've got a fascinating journey ahead filled with insights that can transform your perception and understanding of intelligence. So are you ready? Stay tuned as we delve into these incredible experiences that can enhance your intelligence experience. Number 1. Travel. Now let's delve into the magical realm of travel. Travel is more than just a break from the daily grind. It's a gateway to knowledge, a catalyst for growth. When we venture to unfamiliar territories, we're not just tourists, but students of life. We encounter diverse cultures, customs, and cuisines, pushing our boundaries and enriching our understanding of the world. Think about it. Each journey you take, each new city you explore is like a live classroom. You're learning to adapt to solve problems, to navigate different social norms. You're learning, quite literally on the go. And these aren't just lessons for the moment. They stick with you, shaping your perspective and enhancing your cognitive flexibility. Indeed, travel is a pursuit of knowledge that expands our worldview and cognitive flexibility. So pack your bags, fill up your passport, and let the world be your teacher. You'll be surprised at how much smarter you can get at experience. Number 2. Reading. Few experiences can match the enriching journey of delving into a good book. Not only does reading transport us to different worlds and introduce us to new perspectives, it also has tangible cognitive benefits. By immersing ourselves in various narratives, we naturally expand our vocabulary. This, in turn, enhances our ability to communicate our thoughts and ideas effectively. Reading also plays a pivotal role in improving our comprehension skills, helping us to understand and interpret the world around us with greater depth. But it doesn't stop there. Books stimulate our creativity, prompting us to imagine scenes, characters, and situations that aren't present in our immediate surroundings. They also foster critical thinking, encouraging us to analyze plot lines, make predictions, and reflect on characters' actions. So never underestimate the power of a good book, as it can be a window to an untapped world of knowledge. Experience number 3. Learning a new language. Imagine the brain as a muscle. Just as lifting weights strengthens your biceps, learning a new language exercises your mind, helping improve memory and cognitive abilities. When you learn a new language, you're not just memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules. You're training your brain to think in entirely new patterns, enhancing your ability to multitask and make decisions. It's like giving your brain a workout, flexing and building those cognitive muscles. But the benefits extend beyond the cerebral. Learning a new language opens up a window to different cultures, allowing you to view the world from a fresh perspective. It's a journey, an adventure that takes you beyond borders and into the heart of another culture. The process of learning a new language is challenging, no doubt, but it's a rewarding journey that expands your horizons and sharpens your mind. A new language is a new vision of life, and it certainly makes you smarter. Experience number 4. Engaging in debates and discussions. This is a powerful way to give your brain a workout. When you participate in a debate or discussion, it's like a mental gym session. You're pushed to think critically and quickly, enhancing your cognitive agility. You're also challenged to articulate your thoughts clearly and persuasively, which is a great way to boost your communication skills. But it's not just about winning arguments. You'll find that the most rewarding discussions are those where you learn something new or gain a fresh perspective. It encourages empathy and understanding as you navigate the diverse viewpoints presented. You may not always agree, but the ability to respectfully disagree is a mark of emotional intelligence. It's about growing not just intellectually, but emotionally too. Engaging in thoughtful discussions is a surefire way to sharpen your mind. Experience number 5. Pursuing a hobby. Hobbies are often seen as fun diversions, but they are so much more than that. They are a direct route to a smarter, more vibrant brain. When you engage in a hobby, you stimulate your mind in unique and challenging ways. Whether it's painting, gardening, knitting, or even collecting stamps. Hobbies require focus, patience, and a dash of creativity. They're like a workout for your brain, keeping it active and agile. But the benefits don't stop there. Hobbies also help reduce stress. They provide a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction which can dramatically improve your mental well-being. This positive impact on your mental health can in turn enhance your cognitive abilities. Furthermore, hobbies often present us with unexpected challenges, forcing us to think outside the box and enhance our problem-solving skills. So the next time you pick up that paintbrush or plant that seed, remember a hobby is not just a pastime, but a pathway to a healthier and smarter brain. Experience number 6. Physical exercise. Let's talk about moving your body. You might be wondering, how does physical exercise make me smarter? Well, it's all about the mind-body connection. Regular physical activity boosts your brain health in a number of ways. First, it enhances your memory and thinking skills. When you exercise, your heart pumps more oxygen and nutrients to your brain, which helps it function better. Plus, it stimulates the growth of new brain cells and connections, improving your cognitive abilities. Second, it's a great stress reliever. It helps you clear your mind, reducing anxiety and depression. Lastly, it enhances your mood. Exercise releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, making you happier, and a happier mind is a more productive mind. So don't overlook the power of a good workout. Remember, a healthy body fosters a healthy mind. Experience number 7. Volunteering. Let's dive into how this selfless act can be a catalyst for personal growth and intelligence. When you volunteer, you're propelled into situations that demand adaptability and problem-solving. This not only enhances your social skills but also broadens your understanding of people and cultures beyond your own. The social interactions stemming from volunteering can improve your communication skills, making you more articulate and confident in expressing your thoughts and ideas. Furthermore, volunteering fosters empathy by stepping into the shoes of others and working towards a cause. You gain a deeper understanding of the world around you. This empathetic perspective can significantly sharpen your emotional intelligence. But that's not all. Volunteering provides a profound sense of purpose and fulfillment. It's an avenue to feel connected, to feel that you're a part of something bigger than yourself. This feeling of fulfillment can lead to a positive and resilient mindset, which is a cornerstone of intelligence. Volunteering is not just about giving, but also about growing and learning experience. Number 8. Meditation. This ancient practice is more than just sitting in silence. It's an exercise for the mind that can have profound effects on your intelligence and well-being. When we meditate, we are training our minds to focus, akin to how we would train our muscles at the gym. This focus can translate into better concentration in our daily lives and even enhance our problem-solving abilities. Meditation also offers a powerful antidote to the stress of modern life. It encourages us to slow down, breathe, and exist in the present moment, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. This can greatly improve our emotional health, making us more resilient to life's ups and downs. Moreover, through meditation, we learn to observe our thoughts without judgment, fostering self-awareness. This ability to understand our own minds better can lead to improved decision-making and emotional intelligence. Meditation truly is an exercise for the mind, seen, script, experienced. Number 9. Lifelong learning. This is an umbrella term that encapsulates all the learning activities undertaken throughout life. But why is it so significant? Well, in an ever-evolving world, lifelong learning keeps us updated with the latest trends and knowledge. It's like a continuous software update for our brains, ensuring we don't become outdated. Moreover, lifelong learning is an excellent tool for enhancing skills. It could be professional skills that give you an edge in your career or personal skills that enrich your life. You're not just learning something new, you're becoming a better version of yourself. But it doesn't end there. Lifelong learning also promotes personal growth. It broadens our perspective lives, encourages curiosity, and fosters a thirst for knowledge. It keeps our minds agile, flexible, and ready to take on new challenges. So whether it's learning a new language at 40 or picking up chess at 70, remember it's never too late to learn. Lifelong learning is truly the fuel for a sharper and smarter mind. Finally, experience number 10. Embracing failure. The sting of failure can be tough to handle, but it's a vital part of the journey towards becoming smarter. You see, failure is more than just a bump in the road. It's a teacher, a guide, a mentor that shows us where we went wrong and how we can do better. It builds resilience, that grit and determination that keeps us moving forward even when the going gets tough. It promotes a growth mindset, encouraging us to view challenges as opportunities to learn and develop. And it provides valuable lessons that contribute to our personal and professional development. So don't fear failure, embrace it, learn from it, grow from it, and that concludes our journey through the 10 experiences that make you smarter. Remember, intelligence is not a destination, but a journey of continuous learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the Financial Literacy channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing up.